Welcome back to a series so painful, even my sunburn subscribed. In today's video, we're really short on time. We're heading down to try catching a couple fish before it gets too dark out here. This is Joey's last day of summer break with me. Joey, what's your thoughts on summer break? How was it? Huh? Too short. I agree. Yeah, okay, buddy. Only on YouTube when I make those shorts. Yeah, okay, buddy. By like an inch. Yeah, we recently went up to Lava Springs. Went up there for the swimming all day. You can see that in a YouTube short. And I got super sunburnt. Now, we gotta try catching a fish before it gets too dark out here. Now let's begin. Look at that sunset, it's beautiful. Beautiful, I tell you. Only problem is, we made cheeseburgers and french fries. Took a little too long after work today. Now we got like no time for fishing. But we still here. We're out here. I got so sunburnt and dehydrated the last 2 days. It felt like my skin was getting poked by needles. Wearing a shirt, even with the wind just hitting it. So I've been down for a couple days. But we're back. And we're still gonna catch more fish. Oh no, you got my secret weapon, the corn. That's what I said, you got my secret weapon. All right, boys, how many fish do you think we could catch pretty quickly?
6 or 7.
No. We are literally gonna have a less than a half hour of fishing, boys. It's an amazing evening. Yeah, it's evening right now. It's not night. It's not the middle of the day. It's the evening. Well, what can I say? Honestly, I can't deny the truth. All right, all right. Let's see how many fish we can get. This guy says 6 or 7. This guy says 67. And I just about stepped in a big old puddle of water. All right, we don't got much time, boys.
I already have the biggest catch. I just found a little.
What'd you find?
And it has a swivel on it.
Not bad, not bad. You already found some treasure right when we got here. See? We didn't even need the metal detector. All right, all right.
Oh, I got a message. Catch a fish for 17 casts.
17? What are you using? Oh, are you going to use worm? Are you going to use corn? Are you going to be using a lure?
I don't know what I'm gonna be using.
Huh?
I don't know what I'm gonna be using.
I'm the best at it. Somehow actually.
We didn't grab no wagon. The corn will work. All right. What's going on, Noah? Having trouble with your fishing pole? What happened? Is it tangled? No. I hate tangles too. What? I'm thinking we can at least everyone get 2 at least. Huh? No, not today. I'm feeling lucky.
I am too.
You too? Very good.
That was my lucky fall.
That's okay, buddy. You say so.
Yeah.
What?
Look at this.
Nice. They're hitting the double oski, the worm and the corn. That sounded like it snagged on you, Joey. No going in the water tonight. Wait, your first catch, you went in the weeds?
Yeah, because Joey kind of careful. He can't catch straight.
Alright, well, just don't get your clothes completely wet. I'll let you go get it. Just don't get completely soaked. We're already losing daylight.
I'm gonna move spots.
You can come up here. I didn't mean for those guys to leave. They could have stayed. I mean, I didn't mean to invade their bubble. Oh, someone just pushed it down. Kind of a jerkosaurus move to do, if you ask me. Oh, it's kind of cool, but then also it's like I liked it better when it was up there instead of down there. I think you should put it back. Did you save it?
I got this side past under the tree. Everything but a fish.
You're catching that tree, and this guy's catching these bushes.
Literally everything but a fish.
You guys can't hit the water or what? I'm sitting here fishing already. What's going on here, guys?
Yeah, I was fishing before you.
Whatever. I was fishing before you were born.
I'm gonna go fish about this week.
Have fun. Take care now. Bye-bye then.
God, why don't we suck?
Look at that sunset. What?
Can you close my wheel?
Sure. There you go. I think it's a really nice night. Wish I didn't have to work tomorrow. I'd stay out here, be catfishing, Noah. If I didn't have to work tomorrow, I'd definitely be out here catfishing.
I should.
Huh?
Should've gone in the water.
Got too cold now? Oh, take off your shoes and you'll warm up, sir. Just no more water so you don't get cold, all right? Very good. You just gonna put a swivel on and go with the lure?
No.
All right.
I don't like lemons. Let's go.
All right.
Oh, that guy did the same thing what I did.
Yes, sir. It happens to everybody.
Except for you.
Yeah, I don't think I've gotten out over there unless the fish takes me over there.
Let's go.
Huh?
Can you hand me a piece of one, please?
Hand you a piece of worm?
Yeah.
There you go, sir. After you use half of that one, give me the other half. I'll reel in right now so I can put some worm on too.
Okay.
Any luck, Joey? Well, get in there and get it. You know how to swim?
It's not very much.
Oh, I don't care. Worm is worm. I still got 2 pieces of corn, so I'm getting the double O-ski.
Oh yeah! I'm locked and loaded. I'm ready to fish, and I'm ready.
Yeah? What about it? Oh no, the sprinklers are coming on. rocks up here. This whites are corn all over the place. Keep this all cleaned up. Catch that fish. We're running out of light. Come on, boys. We need to get a fish. Or two. Come on. We're losing light. There's Joey right over there. Where's Noah? Oh! This guy's pulling the first fish. Let's go. What'd you get, bud?
Looks like a bass.
Hey, hey, hey.
Look what he's doing.
He's angry. He's angry.
Oh, I do this.
Just wait for him to calm down and then grab his lip. There it is. Look at that bass. That's beautiful. Too small to keep, but it was a good catch. Very good, very good. Come on now. All right, Joey, our turn. Come on. I'm old.
Old people get better luck.
You kind of stole all my luck and skill, so I gotta, like, my XP bar is low. Let's see. There he is. There's Joey. He's coming across the bridge. Oh yeah. What? Hmm. You can see right there in the tree, someone caught the tree, and there's a dangler from that branch right there. What's going on? What are you doing, Joy? Oh, tangle.
Oh, you gotta catch one.
Oh, believe me, I'm already trying. determined to untangle his rod. There he is. There's Noah. Jeez, he's really having some difficulties over there. How'd it go? Huh?
You know how crazy tangle I showed you last time when you were out there?
Yeah.
It's worse than that.
Oh, why not just cut it off? Alright. Yeah, I'm like, there's no point in trying to fight it. That's why we buy extra line, is for when things tangle. What's up?
I'm pretty sure they get easy water source.
I heard a fish jump way out there.
Just like this.
Sounded like it was right in front of us. Sounded like it was just on the other side of this tree right here.
It was like that. Line or something?
I couldn't see it, I heard it. Too busy looking at you boys trying to fix your line again instead of being casted out. You caught a fish? Yeah, I need a fish.
Dad, where'd you put this leather? I found it.
You're in the normal spot, son.
Oh, my God. Get all the wool off of me. Fish will like the extra seasoning. And for today's video, I'm the only one to catch something. Someone else, they kind of booty cheeks.
That would have been good.
Ha!
It would have been good.
Could have been you.
You got you.
Well, anyways, like and subscribe. And
Right, all that good stuff. Turn on notifications. So they know when our next video goes up.
I'm gonna show you. Wait, what is that?
Lake,
Oh, dip.
in the river.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna catch it.
Where at? I'm right out there, sir.
Stop.
Just don't press that way. You ran in the bush again. We're just about out of life, boys. We're gonna have to call it.
Dad, could you bring a light over here so I can do this? I shot it.
You say you have a flashlight on your phone.
So I'm gonna show you how to catch fish.
Alright. Oh, that's what you with those features and stuff.
Who is it?
You're always big of a hook on right now, but we're running out of hooks again, boys. So I'm using what we got.
There. Now I just need more.
I am a custody.
Calm down, sir.
I'm ready to have a fishing boat safe.
There. Now you just hold like this, or what I do. Dad, I'm doing my old strat at the on my old spot where the strat works.
Yeah?
Yep. No way. No way.
I'm never fishing. I'm never going fishing again. I always suck and never caught one. It's not gonna come out now. No, come on.
It's getting to be that time, boys.
Sorry, time.
Yep. What?
Cast out.
You already had time for that.
You know the rules. Follow them. Follow them.
Small talk, kid. Huh?
Where'd my giant thing is sitting? Where'd my full thing sinkers go that were in
lucky lake, but I found other sinkers, so they ended up in the back of the truck instead of in the tackle box. Yep. Put your pole away. We're done.
I'm gonna put it away.
Hey, stay out of the water.
I'm in the water.
Well, you don't got your shoes on, do you?
No.
Your feet's gonna get cold again. Stay out of the water. You don't need to be over there in the grass in the water. You're already complaining it's cold. Stay out of the water. No more. Even on the grass, it's still water on the grass. Sir. You're getting angry at me. You were the one saying you were cold. And you're all quitting fishing. Like, you. Why you quit?
Because I'm never.
Hey, you can't give him any trash tag because he's the only one who caught fish.
Hey, when he's saying he's quitting when he's the only one who caught a fish, that's pretty sad. And now he's using his fishing pole the wrong way, drawing in the sand. He's disrespecting a fishing pole right now.
Well, I always snap on my hands. Look at. Thing is all being off. Because you're playing with it in the sand. I don't like it. Really not all of it.
All I hear is excuses on why I'm better.
Stop. You don't need to ruin the tip of a fishing pole because you don't have anything to play with right now.
Yeah, cast out that wall just to see cast that way. Because there's not much space in it. Yeah, it's not good. Okay?
You really have to say me?
You're talking to a sprinkler, homie.
Shut up, I don't have. Watch this. I don't even know where I landed. I looked at my reel because it made a silly noise.
Oh. Well, make sure we gather up all of our stuff.
I got a big one on my orange and black fishing pole. Don't spare me, please. I have a phone. Phone. Don't spike me.
Now you do remember the conversation we had when you wanted the different line on your fishing pole, don't you know? Okay, tell me what that conversation was about.
I remember the conversation was not the woods.
Then you don't remember. I told you, when you get snagged up, you got the spotter wire, you can always get them out. You don't have to reline so much. But you really wanted the new line on this other line, the weaker on your pole, so you can cast out further. You're not fishing, you're just swapping our line. But you wanted to cast out first. So you wanted the new line, and I told you that when you snag up, you're going to be snapping your line a lot more. And I know you snag up a lot. So now you're saying you're quitting fishing because you have to reline all the time. You don't remember?
I told you I had that number.
I'm saying that this is why I didn't want saw this coming already. Look at this, Joey. So it's this dark out. If I look through the phone, look, it shows it's a lot clearer and brighter.
What the heck? Why does it kind of look cooler on phone? It's like grandpa style, like black and white. Like that's what Noah looks like, black and white, dude. Oh, it's so smart.
Dang, you're racist, Joey.
Hey,
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
he's wearing black and he's white.
Alright, time to reel him in.
Okay.
We're done.
First. Remember, dude, gotta save the best for last. AKA me. Technically, it would be Noah in this situation. Please not cast it out. You have a big one. Why do I kind of look like you have one?
I don't know, maybe. Unless it's just seaweed or
Do you got a whale? Look at this, dude. What is he doing? Is it a big one? What if it's a fish with a lot of seaweed?
Oh, no, I think it was just seaweed.
Yeah, that time I don't think it's. I don't think that one's
That's
a fish.
my catch of the day.
Dang! That thing's giant. Almost as big as my 15-inch bass.
I guess I ran out here just to clean up the lake, the river.
Hey, that's still a good thing. At least you're doing a good deed. A good deed is a nice deed. And a nice deed is a good deed. I didn't just say the same thing 3 times backwards. Hey! Look at this, dude. And look at this, dude.
The only guy that caught a fish today.
Look at the sky. It looks so much darker on here, in my eyes, but on the phone it looks so much brighter. Look at that, look at that. Look without the phone, and look with the phone. Dang!
Alright, time to reel it in.
We're lucky, Dad. They get to see the brighter sky.
It just proves that we got bad eyesight.
I got a big one. Can't even see if I have bait. I think I have seen it. What? Oh no, that's just my. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna do some casts while we're walking the
No, because you got to carry tackle boxes and stuff, sir.
I'm carrying 8 tackle boxes. You're trying to carry the bait.
I got my fishing pole.
Is there someone watching us over there?
What?
What about white thing over there?
That's a light.
No, not that.
Here, Dad.
Well, Noah's the only one who caught a fish today. See you
No,
guys.
say the winner words.
See you guys.